Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to extract data from the Bank of New York Mellon statements and return data into a CSV format using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample Bank of New York Mellon statements that we're going to use in this demo. So, let's get started. First, log into your PDF.co account and click the Request Ester menu. For the Choose PDF.co API endpoint field, search and select PDF Convert to CSV. This endpoint will extract data from PDF and turn it into a CSV. For the Input Parameters field, override the URL param with a link or input with a file. After adding the endpoint and source file, click on the Run Request button to see the result. We successfully run the request. Kindly click on the URL to view the output or directly download the output file. Here's the extracted data from the Bank of New York Mellon statements in CSV format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.